Hello everyone, greetings to you all. This is the Cryptoprophet. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's take a look at today's video. Alright guys, so before I continue with this video, I just need us to go through a little preview. Now, if you guys recall, I spoke about the 21st of November and I was specific in my words. I told you guys that I'm seeing Bitcoin bottoming, and that date would be a very key date. That I'm seeing the markets bottoming from that date. Now, on that date, the 21st of November, Bitcoin dropped to around $80,000, and that was the end. And ever since the 21st of November, you guys can observe we have been pumping up gradually. Now, if you take a look at my channel, go watch this video. Okay, now in this video, I spoke about it. I called the dates. Let's play it. I'm crossing into December right now, and reason why I'm saying this, guys, there's something that disturbs me. Okay, now let me tell you what disturbs me. I yesterday I had a dream, and you see, my dreams always come to pass. Listen, my dreams always come to pass. The same way you see me calling dates for Bitcoin. Okay, I tell you this is what is going to happen. Okay, like now I've told you guys I'm seeing the number two. The number two, I'm seeing 2 days. I'm seeing 21st. From 21st, I'm seeing it. Listen, we are not yet in the 21st of November, but I'm already telling you what is going to happen. I'm seeing the 21st of November, and I'm also seeing I'm crossing into December right now. And alright guys, now if you listen to this video clip, I spoke about the 21st of November. Check these YouTube shorts. Now watch what I wrote here. I prophesy these dates, 21st, 22nd. Now watch out, Bitcoin has officially bottomed today, 21st November. Now you see this first video, I produced it before the 21st of November. And then this one, I still reminded you guys on the 21st of November. Now read my words. Watch out, Bitcoin has officially bottomed today, 21st November 2025. The bullish divergence is over and now breaking gradually. 22nd and 25th into 27th and 28th. Observe how Bitcoin would begin increasing in value. I prophesy with my eyes closed. The oracle has spoken. Now you see guys, let's watch out and see what happened. Can you guys see that exactly on the 21st? This is exactly what happened on the 21st. You guys can see that was the last day that Bitcoin had a bottom, and from then it has been rising up gradually. Now this is where I, the Cryptoprophet, has no rival. This is where I surpass every other crypto analyst on earth. Because you see, I have the ability to call dates. I see these dates and I call them out and I tell you this is what is going to happen. Now I have mentioned some dates. Go through the YouTube shorts. I just spreaded them around just for fun. Okay, but I'll be giving you a more precise information in this video as usual. Now the 21st has come. Bitcoin has bottomed. The 22nd has come, just as I prophesied is happening. The 23rd, the 24th. Now the 25th is coming as well. I'm seeing some coins picking up, and the 27th and the 28th. But you see, when we cross into December, write down this prophecy. Now I'm giving this prophecy on the 24th of November. We are not yet in the month of December, but I'm already giving this prophecy. In the month of December, mark down these dates: 3rd of December, 8th of December, and 9th of December. 3rd of December, 8th of December, 9th of December. You see these dates: the 3rd of December, and mostly the 8th and the 9th of December, I'm seeing something very spectacular coming for Bitcoin. Those dates would launch Bitcoin into another level, and you're going to see very good gains from the markets, the general crypto space at large. There is already a preparation to pump in money, to bring in money. When I say there's already a preparation, this is something that has already been established. It's something that has already been concluded already. Already. And as a prophet, I've seen it. You see, I know if you're meeting with me for the first time, it may sound strange to you. Anyway, it's true. Because, you see, I'm talking so confidently. I'm talking with so much confidence as usual. That's my type of person. And that's because I'm not faking anything. So when I'm coming out to talk, I'm not just telling you that this is going to happen, but I'm specific and I'm calling the dates for you. So that should prove to you that I am 100% real and I know what I'm talking about. And it is not easy, okay? There's nobody. Go and check. Check the whole internet. Check the whole social media. You can't find anybody like the crypto prophets when it comes to this type of analysis, who would come out and tell you this is what wants to happen and then mention the dates. Just like I prophesied about the October 10th crypto crash 6 months earlier. Okay, so well, you see, maybe some of you who are new, you may be asking yourselves, why is CP always referring to these dates? Well, I'm referring to it so you would get the message I'm passing across, mostly if you're new. Because you see, some persons find most of these things too good to be true. They're like, I've had a lot of persons ask me, how are you able to call dates? You know, they don't believe that most of these dates I call, I get them as visions in my mind. Except if I go the extra length to prove it to them. Okay? But you see, I want to stick to crypto for now. So this is why I'm just focused here. And that's just why I focus on only crypto contents and most times chip into other aspects. Okay, but one of the reasons why I always say this is to make you know that I'm serious with what I'm saying. Okay, so judging from the past experiences, judging from the past track records, when I speak like this, definitely you should believe what I'm telling you because I want you to actually benefit from this information. You're not going to find this information anywhere else. So that's it. So guys, write it down. 21st has come, market has bottomed. Second, I told you to catch Bitcoin. I don't know. Look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin now is in $86,000. Okay, it rose to $88,000. That was yesterday. So right now it's at 86 and it bottomed at 80k. Okay, and I bet it that some persons were actually shorting this market or some persons missed this bottom. But you see, you're still early. If you're seeing this information, you're still at a much more greater advantage because we still have more prices to cover in the future. Okay, so the choice is yours. And also the crypto prophets gemcoin channel is up and running. You can gain access to it. Send an email, the admins there would give you information. Alright guys, so in this video, the crypto prophets, the secrets of Jasmy coin, nobody knows. Go and watch this video and also watch this one as well. But you see, in this video I spoke about Jasmy. Okay, I spoke about Jasmy coin, and right now in this video I want to speak about Solana. I want to show you my own Solana charts and tell you what is going to happen for Solana, give you my honest opinion about Solana. This is why most times you see certain events unfolding, but you may not really understand exactly what is happening. You know, if you watch this video I produced 2 days ago, if you watch it, I spoke about Jasmine, and I also released some other informations as well. Also, if you watch this one, you would get information and know exactly what is going on. Okay, but now I've spoken about Jasmine here, and I'm going to be speaking about Solana. So I have designed my own Solana charts, and I'm going to be sharing it with you. My own Solana chart is more accurate than the Solana charts that the world knows about. Okay, so right now I've stepped into a higher realm in the prophetic. I can give you charts of coins that would be more accurate than the original chart itself. Okay, I can give you. Right now I'm designing. I'm designing coins. I'm designing charts. That's to tell you the level of crypto I'm operating in. Okay, right now I've graduated into another level. I'm operating in another level in crypto. And this is why it will be very, very difficult, very, very difficult, very, very difficult for anybody to contend with the crypto prophets when it comes to crypto, when it comes to analysis. It would be difficult because before you contend with me, you first have to start calling dates. You need to have visions. You need to see dates. You need to call dates. You need to say what would happen. So if you can start from there, fine, then you're on your way to begin contending with the crypto prophet. Then if you achieve that, if the heavens smile on you and you're able to achieve that grace and you're able to call dates, then you graduate to the level of charts, designing your own charts. And so when you've gotten to those levels, then you can sit down and discuss with the grandmaster of the crypto space. But so long as you can't do that, just sit down, be quiet, listen to what I have to say. So let's get into the main charts, and then I will speak about one or two things, and then we end the video. So guys, if you take a look at this chart, this is a chart of Solana. Okay, this is a chart of Solana that the whole world knows about. When you talk of Solana, this is a chart. But you see, there is something I observed about the chart of Solana. Okay, now if you take a look at the chart of Solana, you would observe something. You would observe that this white line, okay, this trend line connects from here. This is from the month of December 2022. It touched this white line, Solana. Then in the month of May 2023, June 2023, it also touched this white line. Now anytime Solana touches this white line, it always appreciates. It's appreciated by 246%. Okay, this was December. And then from here, it also appreciated by what? By 163%. Okay, and then it touched here as well and also appreciated by, let's check the percentage. You guys can see it appreciated by 1674%. So for 1674% it appreciated. Okay, that was after Solana touched this white line for the third time. So we've had 1, 2 and 3, and then Solana dropped again back to this white line and had an appreciation of 168%. But now guys, this is what I want to talk about, and this is what I find very interesting. Now if you check the chart of Solana, if you connect these points together, you would see that Solana broke out of this white trend line. It broke out of this white trend line. Okay, and this is actually an indication that Solana entered into a a bearish trend. It's an indication that Solana entered into a bearish trend or a bearish mode, okay? But you see, a lot of traders or a lot of professionals looking at this, they would interpret this that Solana broke this trend line, which is actually the right interpretation, okay? Solana broke this trend line. You take a look at this, okay? Um, it is obvious that Solana broke this trend line and is now in a downtrend. So any professional who wants to interpret the chart of Solana, what would come to their minds is that, oh, Solana has broken a trend line and Solana needs to recover from this bearish mode and break to this white line before Solana keeps going up. But you see guys, in my own Solana charts, it gives me very accurate information showing me that Solana has not broken out of this trend line. I hope you guys are getting something. Just like I showed you guys in this video, okay, the secrets of Jasmy coin. I spoke about Jasmy coin here. Go watch this video. Very important, very important. Now the same thing is happening to the Solana charts. So in the real Solana charts, everybody who looks at it would feel Solana has broken this white trend line and definitely losing its bullish states. But you see, in my own charts, Solana has not yet broken this line. Now let's get to my charts. Now guys, take a look at it. Look at it. See how beautiful my own Solana charts is looking. Can you see this? This is the same chart of Solana, but this one is designed by the Cryptoprophet. You guys can see the difference. In my own chart, Solana seems to be finding support on this same white line. Very accurate. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And now it is resting on this blue line. Okay, Solana is resting on this blue line. You can see that from the month of December 2023, Solana has not dropped below this blue line. We've not opened a candlestick below this blue line. Okay, we've just been bouncing on top of this blue line. So guys, if I would interpret this, this is a very clear message. Solana has bottomed. As amazing as this sounds, I don't know how many persons would listen to me, but if you're watching this video, please listen to me. Solana has bottomed. Did you hear what I said? So if there is any time you should be buying Solana, this is the time. Solana has bottomed. Take it from me. Why? We have respected this white line for years. Let's check the number of days from here to here. So for the past 1065 days, Solana has respected this white trend line. And now guys, this is this is what makes it very interesting. Now first thing first, let's zoom this so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, you can see it clearly and get what I'm saying. Now if you take a look at this line, Solana is resting on this area. This is a strong area of support from the year 2022. The Solana chart is also resting on this blue line, and mind you, the Solana chart rested on this blue line in the month of May and April, sorry, March and April 2025, and this is what brought about the pump for Solana. Okay, this is what brought about the pump for Solana. It rested on this blue line, and this blue line as well dates back to here, 2023. It has not broken and gone below this blue line or opened a candlestick. So right now guys, will I be wrong if I tell you Solana has bottomed? Because first thing first, it's close to this white line, or let's say resting around this region close to this white line. And from history, anytime Solana gets to this white line, it always has a pump from the year 2022. So that's condition number one. Condition number two, it is close to this blue line. Are you guys seeing it? It's close to this blue line. And this blue line has always acted as a strong area of support from the year 2023. So with these two conditions, if I tell you that Solana has bottomed, please don't doubt me. So that's it. And this also aligns perfectly with the timing of Bitcoin. I've told you guys Bitcoin has bottomed. Okay, Bitcoin has bottomed. Bitcoin has started its pump to the upside. Bitcoin has started its pump to the upside. Like I informed you about the dump, I told you guys that there's a dump coming for Bitcoin. In this video, the Crypto Prophet, a secret nobody sees or speaks about. I was very clear in this video and specific. I warned you guys that there's a Bitcoin top coming, and I also warned you guys in this video as well, and everything has played out accurately. So guys, from all indications, Solana has bottomed, so ignore this white trend line. Some persons may be sharing this on X or Instagram or Facebook or wherever, but anybody you see telling you Solana has broken the charts, yes, it's true. Anyway, it has actually broken, but that is the charts that the world knows about, the real Solana charts. But the chart of the Crypto Prophets, in the chart of the Crypto Prophets, Solana hasn't broken this white line, and the chart of the Crypto Prophet is more accurate than what the world knows. So the Crypto Prophet is officially telling you that Solana has what? Bottomed. And if Solana has bottomed, then it's 100% possible that a whole lot of altcoins have also bottomed as well. Very, very possible. And also that Bitcoin has bottomed as well. Okay, so these are not things to argue about. Now let's check the charts of BCH. Okay, Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin Cash charts. Let's check it and see. Now guys, if you notice, BCH pumped to BCH appreciated to $567. It happened few days ago, like 2 days ago. BCH was pumping. Now that was a sign that the market has bottomed. So BCH has been much more earlier. BCH has actually been much more earlier than other altcoins, than other major altcoins, signifying that there's an altcoin rally coming. So I will not be surprised if Solana joins as well. I will not be surprised if Ethereum joins as well, because all these coins are all screaming for a market bottom. So in conclusion guys, before I end this video, the main aim of me producing this video is number one, to share the Solana charts with you, this particular Solana chart of mine, and tell you that this trend line has not been broken. In my own chart, more accurate, my own chart is showing this blue line, showing strong areas of support, and telling you that Solana is getting set for a rally. Okay, and I believe Solana is coming up to this point. I strongly believe that it's getting to around this region. So that's a very good gain. If you're buying Solana now, or if you're buying some meme coins that are built on the Solana ecosystem, which I'm not going to be referring to anyone in this video, I'm just giving you this, but it's not financial advice. Please make your own research. So I'm showing you my own Solana charts, and then showing you the Solana chart of the one the world knows. So this one has a different information which is not so correct. Okay, I believe some persons would just observe, not even some persons, everybody would observe, as many that are trading the crypto space and that their eyes are on Solana, they will just observe that in few days time Solana will start pumping, and then they'll be like, oh, it wants to regain back this white trend line, and it will just shock them and regain it back. They won't know Solana never really broke any line from the onset. Okay, in the first place, it never broke any line. So my own charts are more accurate. Okay, and if you're my students, you're going to get this gift. Okay, and I believe with time you as well, you'd start designing your own crypto charts like the crypto prophets with time. So that'll be all for now, guys. Send an email to join the Gemcoin channel of the crypto prophets. Check the descriptive part of this video, you would see the email. Send an email, and that will be all. The market actually wants to give everybody money for Christmas, for the Christmas celebration. As many of you that celebrate Christmas, which I am number one, the market wants to give everybody that opportunity. Okay, so let's take advantage of it, guys, and wishing you all a splendid week.